Aha, orúkọ mi ni Fẹ́mi Adébáyọ̀ tí gbogbo yín mọ̀ sí jẹ́ lílì. Oníṣòwò ẹ máa wo Bisi Ologe Show, ẹ má kú ọmọ ẹ̀. Yeah.
I retired as a journalist in Nigerian Herald, Kwara State, Ilorin. I married to Alhaji Mariam Adunni Oteniara in Asia.
Our mommies. Please, if you know you are a butter, let me see your hands up. Please, nobody on this table should don't try it. Don't try it, please. If you know you are a butter, there's one nursery rhyme, it has two versions. I want to know the group you belong to. If you did your own like this, wherever you go, I never reach at all. Wherever you be, do not say yes when you mean to say no. I love dog. Like seriously, you are a jebota. But we back on with ourselves. 1, 2, 3, go. Wherever you go, wherever you be, Oluwa, do not say yes when you mean to say no. Oh, Nileki Oluwa, Ejo Patel for a round of applause for yourselves. Celebrate yourselves, ladies and gentlemen. Mommy, we're here to celebrate a great woman, our sweet grandmother. Mommy, Boy 48. Wow, beautiful. God bless you, ma'am. Very soon, ladies and gentlemen, we'll start to talk about the celebration.
Yeah, my name is Adekunle Daudu. I am Mama's son-in-law. But on the other hand, I'm her first son and her second born. She's more of a mother to me than an in-law. She's been there for me in and out. She's been a mother, she's been an advisor, she's been a prayer warrior. She's been a prayer warrior 75% and a mother 25% because she prays a lot. And I pray if she clocks 120, 150, who will question God? I know she's going to see her great grandchildren by God's grace. I wish my Alhaja Mariam Adunni many more years on earth in good health and everything good any mortal on earth will pray for. And I pray and I believe God has taken it as an answer by God's grace.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.